We got a lot going on in the tropics right now, obviously with a Category 4 storm, Anthony, and it's really impressive looking that stadium effect going on with the eye wall there. You can really see it. It's a powerful Category 4, getting some flare-ups at times around the eye wall there. It continues to move to the west-northwest at about 12 miles an hour. The pressure way down to 948, and the winds at 140, gusting to 165. Going to slow down its forward momentum as it loses its steering currents and then start that bend to the north. So most of the models are suggesting a bend before landfall. It's looking more and more probable now. We will not be dealing with a Florida landfall here, but it's going to be very close. Still going to get significant impacts along the coast with beach erosion and bands of heavy rain, but likely not going to be a landfall. Not impossible, but the probabilities now are leaning towards staying in open waters. If that happens, the storm is not going to weaken as much, so the swells are going to be larger. We could be dealing with significant seas coming along our coastline. The timing on that likely is going to be on Thursday. We'll be fine-tuning this as we get closer, but I want to say the three possibilities leaning more towards this yellow line where most of the global models have it now. But that's likely going to change because we have to wait until that bend to the north happens. If it's delayed, we could be talking about more of an inland path, which would be the worst case scenario for us. If it turns a little sooner, the best case for everybody, as it's going to be staying well offshore and really not causing much issues at all. But right now, the probability leaning more towards right along our coastline.